This frog, however, the South American Waxy Monkey Frog, is exceptional. It's one of the few that can tolerate direct sunshine for any length of time. And that is because it secretes a wax from glands on its neck. No human sunbather goes to more trouble than they do to make quite sure that every part of their skin is properly anointed. The sunshine may also bring them an extra benefit. It probably protects them from the fungal infections to which many moist-skinned amphibians are prone.